Alright, today we are changing the fluid and the filter on my 2019 Cascadia. It's got the DT-12 in it, and I will show you what it takes to change the oil, and then there's a screen in it also, and what size and everything, tools you'll need. So come along with me and we will check it out together. Okay, so I'm mainly making this video because I can't find a whole lot of stuff on it about it on the internet or on YouTube. So you'll have 3 plugs you need to take out. I'm just trying to move this so I can see what actual size it is. Okay, so move this stuff around, not get it dirty. Alright, so you'll need, this is your drain plug, and you can see it's got the magnet on it. So that's your drain plug, so they're all a little different. Then this big one, or we'll go to this one. This is your fill plug. And the drain and the fill are the same, it takes the same tool. And then this one is what you'll need to, it's what holds this screen in, and there's a spring in there, and then this screen, well, yeah, the spring goes in first, then this goes in the screen, and here's the old one. There's really not much on it other than dirty oil, and there really wasn't any metal in it. This stuff here is like rubber, like assembly, what do you call that, gasket maker, that's what it is. So that's about all that was on this, but it was still clean, it's just dirty, if that makes any sense. Okay, so the tools you'll need, this is the valuable part because I didn't know what size. So what you'll need is they're like the hex size tool. So to take your drain and your fill out, it's an H14. H14. And then to take out your filter housing plug is a H22. There you go, H22. And so I had to hillbilly it to get it out. I didn't know what size it was, so this is a 5/8 bolt that I ground down to make it fit, and then I just welded this nut on it, and that's how I got it out. And I mean, they are tight too. I about gave up on it, but I thought once I got it out, I went to the parts store and they actually had the right thing, this one here. So it fits much better. I did get it out that way, but makes it not a lot nicer fit, but I couldn't find anything on the internet. There you go. So I'll take you under here and we'll show you where all this stuff goes. Okay, I've got you under here. So this is your drain plug. Here's your drive shaft. And there's your drain plug. And then here on the side here is where your filter goes in. And here's the little spring I was talking about. So that spring goes in first, and then here's your drain, and then over here on this side, oh baby, right there, that's where you put the oil back in. Okay, all right, that's about how much oil it used. I would say, if you can see the level, I'd say it used about 3 gallons. Something like that. That's what it looks like. And then I was going to show you on this plug also. I mean, this isn't like, you know, a really hard job. Maybe you can see it now that the light's on there. So this is the fill plug. It says Detroit synthetic 75 weight 90. So it'll tell you what weight you need to use. And there's your bucket. That's what it looks like. It's actual Detroit oil, 75/90. So there you go. I guess we'll wrap this one up. It's not rocket science. Now I overfilled it just a tad. I'm just going to let the excess drain out, put the plug back in, and done. So we will see you on the next one.